Welcome to another do-it-yourself easy tutorial. In today's video, we'll explore how to use the subtotal function effectively. For this demonstration, we have the sales data for Procter & Gamble products for 2024 and a forecast for 2025. Let's dive in. Let's start by summing the historical data from 2024 along with the forecast data. For this example, I'll select cell E22. I'll type equal sum to begin the formula, and then I'll select the range starting from E28. To quickly highlight all rows in the column, I'll press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, and then I'll close the parentheses. Once done, I'll drag the formula across to the right to apply it to the rest of the months. Now, imagine you want to review sales for specific products or categories one by one. For this, we'll apply a filter. I'll click on cell A27, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to activate filters. Let's filter by the Asia-Pacific region and the SKU PG001. Notice that the sum formula doesn't update dynamically based on the filter. And this is where the subtotal function becomes incredibly useful. To demonstrate, I'll replace the sum formula in E22 with the subtotal function. I'll type equal subtotal open parenthesis. The first parameter is the calculation type. We want to sum the data, so I'll enter 9. Next, I'll press a comma and select the range just like before. Starting at E28, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, and then closing the parentheses. After that, I'll drag the formula to the right, applying it to all columns. Here's where the magic happens. If I filter the data again, perhaps by region or SKU, the subtotal function dynamically updates to reflect only the visible rows. This is especially useful when creating charts. Every time you adjust the filters, the chart updates automatically based on the current selection. As you can see, the chart adjusts seamlessly with each change in the filter, making this a powerful tool for analysis and reporting. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you'd like to see more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.